Okay guys, good afternoon. Before we go to the second part of algebra, I recommend to review first the PEMDAS/PEMDAS rule of operation. Okay. So, ang meaning ng PEMDAS, itong PMDAS is ang P is parenthesis. Okay, yung may ganito. And multiplication, division, exponent, ang E. Yung nasa to the second power. A is addition, S is subtraction. So, sample problem. Ito naman na 3 plus 8 times 9. So, rule of PEMDAS. PEMDAS. Okay. So, ano yung una? Parenthesis. So, we solve first. 3 plus 8 times 9 is 72. So, 3 plus 72 is equals to, unahin na muna nito kasi P ang una. Sunod E, walang exponent. Okay. M, multiply na natin yung nasa parenthesis. So, 72. Division, wala. Addition. So, 72 plus 3 is 75. Next, ito naman. 45 minus 6 plus 3 squared plus 2 plus 14. Okay, ulitin natin yung natin sa yellow. So 45, copy. 45 minus 6 plus yung nasa parenthesis ay 3 squared. So 3 squared is 9 plus 2 plus 14. So next is, okay na yung parenthesis and exponent. Next is multiplication, wala. Division, wala. So addition. So nasa parenthesis, copy. 45 minus 6 plus 11 plus 14. So unahin natin yung addition. 6 plus 11 15 plus 14 is 29. Okay, copy. 45. Okay, wait. 45 minus 29 is 16. So the answer is 16. Okay, ito is 16. This is 75. Okay, erase na natin. Next problem. Okay. PEMDAS. Next. 8 squared plus 8 squared minus 4 squared divided by 2.
What you're doing?
So, una yung parenthesis. So, copy. 8 squared is 64. Minus 4 squared is 16. Divided by 2. So, next is the parenthesis. So, 8 squared is 64. Next is exponent pala, 64 plus yung nasa parenthesis 64 minus 16 it's 48 divided by 2. Next is multiplication, wala. Division, so ito naman ang dalawa. So copy 64 plus 48 divide 2 is 24. So last is addition. Okay, PEMDAS pala, PEMDAS, sorry. So 24 plus 64 is 88. So the final answer is 88. Next is natin muna. I'm using tablet. The next is 3 squared plus 2 squared plus 20 divided by 4 minus 6 plus 20. So mahaba. So una yung sa parenthesis, 3 squared exponent. Uunahin nyo muna yung parenthesis then exponent. Unahin muna parenthesis, next is exponent kasi PEMDAS. So 3 squared is 9 plus 2 squared is 4 squared plus 20 divided by 4 minus 6 plus 20. Next is ito, exponent, 13 squared. 13 squared is, diretso na tayo, 9 plus 4 is 13 squared. It's equals to 169 plus 20 divided by 4 minus 6 plus 20. So next is multiplication. Walang multiplication, division. So anong di-divide nyo dito? Ito. This is, nasaan na? Okay, so next is division. Ano di-divide nyo? Ito. 20 divide 4. So 169 plus 20 divide 4 is 5 minus 6 plus 20. Okay na tayo sa division. Addition. So ito naman ang dalawa, add 169 plus 5 is 774 minus, ito naman add 6 plus 20, 26. So the final answer is 148. Okay, 148. Okay, erase natin yan. Okay. Next is number 5. 2 plus 2 raised to the 0 power plus 1 minus 6 divided by 6. So first is parenthesis, 4 plus 4 raised to 0 plus 1 minus 6 divided by 6. So 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4, sorry. This is 4 lang. Sorry. 4 raised to 0. Wala ko naka-squared yung 2. Okay, so 4 raised to 0. Any number raised to 0 is equal to what? Equal to 1 plus 1 minus 6 divided by 6. So next is multiplication. Wala. Division na sunod. So you divide this. 6 divided 6 is 1 minus 1 plus 1. Sunod is addition. So ito naman, next 2 minus 1. So the answer is 1. Okay. Dali lang, no? So follow for the next topic, algebra. The clock problem kasi PEMDAS ang gagawin natin doon. Okay. Good afternoon and Thank you.